I'm just guessing they probably will need to do things like this. If you do not want to pay so much for the marble, you still want to have the marble effect, this is the trick. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a short tour to show you guys the factory, how our customized wardrobe are really being done. I have the chance today to go through with you guys because I'm sure many of us, including myself, we always wonder, why do we need to pay such a big lump sum of money to have the customized wardrobe being done nicely for us? Are you guys curious to find out, to know a little bit more how is it really being done nicely? If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for your support, and without further ado, let's get started. This is the factory. As you can see here, it's a little bit messy because everything here is very manual. Like you can see, our handbags are all, why we pay so much for the handbag, because it's all a lot of manual work being done. So the same for the nice wardrobe, customized wardrobe, the factory here is also a little bit manual, but I think it's worth paying for that price, this manual machine. And of course, I do not know how they really operate this. Maybe we need the workers to really show us. You see, it's really a little bit manual here, but it's kind of fun. You can see this round thing coming up as you twist this. I'm just guessing, they probably will need to do things like this. So later on, maybe the workers will show us. Many times you have been wondering what's the difference between compressed wood and also plywood, because of the shelf products you can see many of them, they are actually made of compressed wood. I have so happened I've seen a sample of a compressed wood here. You can see this is actually compressed wood, right? And if it's compressed wood, I've made known that it's actually, it will not last long if it's always exposed to water. It will not be able to last long. That's why we need to pay a little bit more to get a better wood, which is plywood. So in my house this time, all the cabinets, I actually opt for plywood rather than compressed wood. At my house right now, my kids are actually jumping up and down on the bed that is actually made by compressed wood, and unfortunately the bed now very soon is going to ICU. The bed is very soon, so that's why for the new house, even for the bed for my kids, I'm going for plywood so that it's more stable and it's long lasting, and I don't have to worry if my kids are really jumping up and down the bed. This is a structure of a plywood customized bed frame. You can see this is actually not made of compressed wood, it's plywood, so it will be more solid, so we don't have to worry that the bed will collapse even though you're jumping up and down the bed. And this is actually a piece of a lamination, so the wood actually came with this. This is the original wood, and typically after that they will put a layer of lamination on top. This is a lamination. They will put a lamination on top, and if you have lamination, it's easier to take care. But this time around, my concept or my design of my house is actually not really based on lamination, because we are going for a classic European design with a lot of wood lining, which I can show you guys. There's a sample of wood lining here. Oh, there's one here. So you can see there's a wood lining. This is what we call the wood lining. Usually when you go for European design, you will normally have wood lining on the cabinets. So when you go for this type of design, no, we cannot go for lamination. We need to go for spray. So spray, of course, it will be a little bit hard to maintain compared to lamination, but I think it's worth trying. I just want my house this round to try the spray and the European style design, classic European, rather than the normal standard modern design which can do lamination, which I have done that before in my previous home. So this time around I would like to try European design with this lining, and you can see this is actually came with this long, this is a super long lining wood, which of course they will chop off based on the height that we need. Let's see, there are some samples of the wardrobe are already being done. Let's go and check it out. This is also something that I just learned from my ID designer. If you really have some budget constraint, because we all know that marble is usually very luxurious and very nice. Every time when the house is full of marble, it's very wow kind of effect. So if you really have some budget constraint like I do, so what we can do to save on some small little things is, like if you have any wall panel like on the TV cabinet that you do not want to go for a real marble, which hardly people will go for real marble, what we can opt for is this marble lamination, wood marble lamination. You can see it's actually lamination. It's a piece of wood, but in front there's a marble lamination. If you do not want to pay so much for the marble, you still want to have the marble effect, this is the trick. Okay, let's go. So this is the sample of the one of what, this is not my wardrobe, this is the sample of the wardrobe is already being done, and you can see this is actually lamination. So lamination, the good thing of lamination of course is easier for us to maintain. You do not need to worry about scratches and all compared to spray. It comes in a lot of colors. You can choose the lamination that you prefer. So this is how the lamination wardrobe. And if you can see, the good thing of customized wardrobe is we can customize based on the height according to your house. So then the cabinet will be very high up according to the size of your house, rather than you're buying off the shelf. Then you will not normally have the problem of having a little space up there, which you cannot have the full height cabinet. So this is a good thing of a customized wardrobe. That's why people every time also pay a little bit premium for the customized wardrobe, so that at least you can have the full height. And cabinet is very essential in every house, as we know, because we will eventually have a lot of junk and rubbish. So we need to have a full height cabinet to help us to store our junk. So this is, I believe, is also another lamination, right? I don't have unfortunately a sample of the wooden lining with the spray design here, but I've showed you guys the lining one. Maybe in future when my wardrobe is ready, I can show you guys. So this is also a lamination, right? So like my dressing table, my ID actually suggested that I go for lamination for my dressing table, so that it's easier to handle. I do not need to worry there will be scratches, because dressing tables is a place where I will always put the stuff in and out, so it's best that we go for lamination. There's also a desk working table for the workers here. This is their work table. You can see there are some design ID up there, which they will draw and cut based on the design given by the ID. So this is what happened, like my ID will also give the design to them, and they will discuss and customize the best wardrobe for us. This is the sample of the lamination, which we can choose based on this sample. I have that master bedroom wardrobe for my husband, which there's one section that he will also go for lamination. So we are actually choosing between all these samples and see which one we would like to go for. Oh, actually there are plenty of laminations. That's the reason actually why we need an ID designer to help us, because then otherwise we would spend like a few days flipping through and we do not know which one we need to choose for. I'm very lucky that I actually engaged an ID to help us to design the full house for us and also coordinate from the end to end. So later on I'm going to show you guys the workers, how they are actually doing the work manually partially. So let's go! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my quick tour or quick sharing on how the customized wardrobe or also the customized panels are being done. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button down below Thank you so much for your support. There will be more upcoming videos. Stay tuned and I'll see you soon in my next video.